Help you adjust video whites in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
You want to adjust the video whites to your video clip in Capcut Mobile. Your video is selected and highlighted on the timeline. Go down and scroll to the right until you see the option Filters. Here, go to the top left hand screen and click Adjust and scroll to the right until you see the option Whites. If you drag the slider icon to the left, it's going to remove the whites or decrease in value. And if you drag it to the right, it's going to increase the whites in value. Once you're happy or satisfied, click the check mark on the top right hand screen. This is the before. This is the after. Completely for free in Capcut Mobile.